Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a business model with Strategyzer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a business model using Strategyzer, start by downloading the business model canvas template from the Strategyzer website. Next, gather a diverse team to brainstorm and share different perspectives. Begin with the customer segments section by identifying your target audience. Consider demographic, geographic, and psychographic variables to refine your segments. Once your segments are outlined, move on to defining your value propositions. Think about the unique benefits your product or service provides to your customers. List the key features that differentiate your offering from competitors. Now, focus on the channels section. Identify how you will deliver your value propositions to each customer segment. Evaluate both direct and indirect channels, considering online and offline options. Next, outline your customer relationships. Decide on the type of relationships you want to establish with each segment. Consider personalized service, self-service, automated service, and community engagement. Proceed to the revenue streams section. Identify how your business will generate income from each customer segment. Consider various revenue models like subscription, one-time sales, and licensing fees. Next, identify the key resources required to deliver your value propositions. These could be physical, intellectual, human, or financial resources. Then, determine your key activities. List the essential tasks and operations that need to be performed to create and deliver your offerings. After that, identify your key partners. These can include suppliers, manufacturers, and strategic alliances that will help your business succeed. Next, move on to the cost structure. List all the costs associated with operating your business model. Consider fixed and variable costs, as well as any key expenses tied to resources and activities. Once you have filled out all sections, review the entire canvas for coherence. Ensure that each part connects logically with others to form a viable business model. Seek feedback from peers or mentors to gain fresh insights and identify potential weaknesses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.